How to remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat without blocking them. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat without blocking them or removing them from your friend list. Now, unfortunately, there's no such direct way of removing someone from your best friend list, but then there are some method which you have to follow it, and then you'll be able to remove someone off your best friend list. So first thing, you know the drill, log in into your Snapchat account, and once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile or the Bitmoji icon from the top left hand side, and right on this page you need to scroll down and go to my friends. As you can see right on top, these are my best friend list. I've not actually added them to a feature called best friend, but then they've automatically been added to the best friend list, which means that I'm actually sharing most of the content with this following users. Following users has been added to the best friend list. So when you frequently snap someone on a daily basis, then he or she is going to be added to your best friend list. And likewise, in order to remove them, the method is just an opposite. That means you have to stop sharing snap, or you just have to decrease your level of interaction with them. And alternatively, you can keep your level of interaction the same as your current best friends, but increases the level of interaction with other people you want to take their places. So that's how you can disappear someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.